Hi everyone, it's Sam here from craftyourbestlife.co.uk. I haven't got a project today, the sheet is empty. What I have got for you is some information on the celebration and subsequent celebration coordination. So, 15th of, it's the wrong way around, on the 3rd of January, from 3rd of January to 31st of March is the celebration. So for every £45 you spend, you get to choose a level 1 product for free, or every £90 you spend you get to choose certain level 2 products for free. So this is the first release, and we have stamp sets. Unfortunately this ribbon has sold out, that's no longer available. You've got stamp sets, embellishments, paper, small stamp sets. This foil is absolutely lush, my favourite. Frogs, stamp sets there, card kit, and then these are the level 2s. We've got the tea time framelit dies, which coordinate with the stamp set that's in the spring summer catalogue, and then we've got the lasting lily stamp set, which is stunning. I love that one. So they are available now. Then on the 15th of February we had the second release of Celebration, so we get 3 more products. So we have All Adorned stamp set, which is free with a £45 order, and this is designed to work brilliantly with the Stamparatus. We then have Country Floral Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing folder, which I do have. So this is this super deep, super thick, wonderfully impressions. So this is a card I made with it, when that's the foil with it there. So that's that. And then for a level 2, we've got the Painted Seasons bundle. So you get the stamp set and the coordinating papers. So the stamp set, it's red rubber, and it's one of our distinctive sets, and I don't know if you can see they're very flat, but they've got lots of detail in. The way I understand it is they're photographs of real like objects, and then the stamps are laser cut with the image. So that's the stamp set, and then we've got 12 by 12 designer series paper in 4 different designs to cover your 4 seasons. So that's one side, and that's, hit the camera, that's the other. So love this paper. So that's those bits. Then just as we were getting our heads around the second release, Stampin' Up gave us a third release, and now we've got some more freebies. Now these are, majority of these items are in the annual catalogue, so I will show you what I've got. So first up, that Painted Seasons Designer Series paper is available for a £45 spend, or you can have it with stamp set as a 90. So then we've got Share What You Love embellishment kit. Comes in this lovely box, matches the suite. You've got baker's twine, white thread, you've got paper clips, and I don't know if that's focused, I can't see out my glasses, so I don't know if that's focusing. Let's try. Roses. Then you get 4 laser cut, what are they called? Labels, that'll be it. And then you get 4 of the larger ones. So that's your Show What You Love embellishment kit. You get the pearlised doilies, you get 2 packets of those for a £45 spend. You get the, let's get some of this out. This is the Rich Razzleberry Velvet Ribbon and you get 2 of those rolls. The 1/4 inch velvet ribbon. How long is it? 10 yards, so you get 20 yards of that for free. We've got a scattered sequins dynamic textured impressions embossing folder. Sure there's a shorter version of that. So that gives you that, again, that's a nice thick one, so it gives you deep impression of that they do actually look like sequins. That's that one. We've got the mini pizza boxes, which I don't have. Strange for some reason. And then we've got Petal Promenade paper. Oh, come here, paper. So we've got, there's that one. I haven't got much of that bit left. We've got flowers, frames. There we go, that's better. More flowers and more frames, and then like I say, this one. And then on the back we've got some other textures, so that's like crunched silk, got marble, slate, I don't know if that's slate or wood grain, polka dots, and then a bit more marble. So that's another item that's free. Put that back in there before I drop it all over the floor. And then we've got the laser cut speciality designer series paper. Do you like the detailed laser cut paper? Let's put that there. So you get, that's gone on a bit wonk now, so hang on. You get 4 sheets of this type style, so that's gone a bit twisty. So we've got borders and like card fronts and things like that. It's very vanilla on one side, and then on the back is whisper white. So you get 4 sheets of those. Then you get 4 sheets of the full 12 by 12 sheet and again that's white on the back. So you get 8 sheets, yeah, 4 of one and 4 of the other, so you get 8 sheets of that in there. And that's a delightfully detailed laser cut speciality paper. So we've got lots and lots of freebies to choose from. And then, oh, I'll show you that one now. This is a card I made from the 3rd release freebies. So I made that one yesterday. And then we also have celebration coordination. So these are, as the title suggests, items that coordinate with the celebration items. Now these are purchasable items, they're not free, but obviously if you purchase these you can then get the free items with the qualifying spend. So we've got a stamp set which is called More Than Words, which coordinates with a number of the free ones. We've got like Leap for Joy is easy to do, birthday, hopping by, Christmas, extra sprinkles on top. So they all go with the different ones in the stamp sets we've already got. And then we're getting framelets. So we've got, what ones have I got here? So Lasting Lily has lily framelit dies. So that's the one I made with the lily framelit dies. Then we've got Call Me Cupcake, which goes with the Hello Cupcake. I haven't got that one, but if I hold it up to you, it's got a cuts out all the cakes, then you've got extra toppers, and then a domy thing. Are they called a cloche? I think they are. Something like that. Or a gloche? No, cloche. I don't know. Let me know. For people out there know about cake. I just eat the stuff. That's all I know about it. Hop Around goes with the cute little froggies. That's the one I made for that. And then we've got the Four Seasons framelits, which goes with that other free bundle that I just showed you, the painted season. So we've got dies that cut out those. I've got that one. Well, I've got another one here. I made that one as well. So there's those two there. Like that. We've then got, I haven't got all of it because I got to feed my family, unfortunately. So it costs money. Story label punch goes with the Part of My Story stamp set, and I think it also works with quite a few of these in this stamp set as well. So a good old multi-purpose label punch. So that's where we are. Now, that's a lot of information, isn't it? Celebration, there's your free items. Other things you can get is if you host a party or put in your own order or a collection of your friends' orders. You don't necessarily need to have a party. You get stamping rewards. So for an order of 150 you will get 10% stamping rewards. And then, but if you during celebration, if you put an order in for £200, you'll get a 10% stamping rewards plus an extra £20. So you get a full, on a £200 order you get a £40 worth of stamping rewards. So you've bought your things you want. You've got a collection of freebies. You get 4 if you had a £200 order. So you'd have 4 free stamp sets or whatever you want, and then £40 to choose other items from your catalogue. So that's a brilliant deal. And they go up. So as your order goes up, you get a higher rate of stamping rewards, and then add the 20. So that is the host. Like I say, you don't have to have a party. You can have your order of your own, or I can send you some catalogues. You can share them with your friends and then pop me the order. It's whichever way you like. Or we can have a party. We can sit round and have a craft and drink coffee and eat cake and have a good old time. But yeah, lots of different options. Then the third option and the best option is join in. So normally our starter kit is £99 and you choose £130 worth of products. Now our starter kits are not standard. You pick what products you want to put in it, so you choose what goes in your starter kit. But during celebration, instead of the 130, you get to choose £170 worth of Stampin' Up products for just your 99. That includes shipping, what's the word I'm looking for? Postage and packaging, basically. And it also includes a business pack if you wish to become a demonstrator, and that's worth approximately £45. So the option with the joining kit is you can get the joining kit and become what's called a discount shopper, so you will then continue to get your discount every time you shop, or you can be a business and we run it as a business. So however you do it is entirely up to you. But we also have a second option. So option 2, again, you choose £170 worth of Stampin' Up products, but you get the Craft and Curry tote, which is valued at £47, and you pay just £125. So where's mine? Hang on, I've got to take my glasses off to see where I'm going. It's over here. Hang on. I just found my H block. It just fell out of my bag. Okay, so this is the Craft and Curry tote, which I just picked up. And my H block fell out of it. I wonder if there's anything else in here. I'll have to have a look. So, don't fit on the camera. This is made of like really strong canvas. So you've got pockets there, you've got pockets there, got a zip pocket there, and then in here These are all Velcro fastened so they can come out, but it does fit your trimmer in there. And there's more pockets in here. There's a full length strap, and then on the back there's a little strip there as well, so that's quite good. You can hide your money in there when you're out and about. So this is the Craft and Carry tote, and it coordinates with the Stampinator's bag, which is this one. So this one is available to purchase, and again, it could go in your starter kit. So lots and lots of options. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator myself. I've been with the company for just over, well, nearly 2 years, but I spent 15 years in direct sales, so I've got lots of experience. We have an amazing team, and whether you decide to shop, host, join up as a discount shopper, or want to build a business yourself, then everybody is welcome. So if you would like to visit my blog, that's at craftybestlife.co.uk. If you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can do so here, please. And if you'd like this video, please give it a like. If you have any questions, drop me a line. All my contact details with my email address and everything will be in the description box below. And all the details are over on my blog about how to connect to my online store and everything else like that. I think there's something else. Don't know. Oh yes, when you place an order, if you use the host code, which I will put in this post, the new March host code, then at the end of the month I split the rewards up and everybody gets a share of stamping rewards. So I think that's it. That's an awful lot of information, isn't it? Let's have a look at these cards. These ones, they're like just card fronts because I was messing about. So there's lots of different projects there. And excuse me, I think that's everything. So thank you very much for joining me. Like I say, any questions, give me a comment, or you can email me at sammitch16@gmail.com. And thank you very much for your time. I will see you again soon. Bye bye.